Imagine you have a Python script that you use to modify a text file by adding some information to it. The problem you encounter is that each new row added to the file should start with a sequence number in the format 001, 002, and so on. This specific numbering requirement adds a bit of complexity to your current script. Now, let's delve into the solution. By opening the file in A+ mode, which creates the file if it doesn't exist, and positions the cursor at the end if it does, we set the stage for our modifications. We then seek to the beginning of the file and calculate the sequence number by counting the lines already present. After gathering user inputs and formatting the date, we construct the new row with the desired format and write it to the file. This approach ensures each entry starts with the correct sequence number as requested. In summary, we tackled the problem of adding a sequence number at the beginning of each new row in a text file through a Python script. By following the provided solution, you can seamlessly incorporate this numbering logic into your existing script. Remember, a little numbering can go a long way in organizing and structuring your data. And with that wrapped up, feel free to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy coding!